This is what you guys do for speeding
Oh, yeah.
in our town. No, yeah, investigation in the school.
Él es hispano. Él es hispano. ¡Hey!
That's criminals in the school.
Él es hispano.
Criminals in the school. There's criminals in the school.
Él es hispano. ¡Hey! Sucks.
You feel a change?
Ah!
Show me your face.
Ah!
He said that's criminals
school,
in
man.
school. What you doing
That's
in school
fucked up,
ground?
bro.
Criminals
What
in
you guys
school.
doing at school ground?
He said that's criminals in school.
Hey, let's go, guys.
Hey, they gonna fucking school.
Hey, hey. Salieron corriendo y chocaron, bro.
¿Qué pasó?
Ahí vienen más, se vienen más, guys.
Look at that, look at that, look at that. Look at that.
That's karma.
Señores, oh shit, they fucking hit the fake ball.
Yeah.
They probably
Chocó Ice Police Pedro. Estos vatos chocaron.
a la carrera.
Por eso fue que chocaron.
No, sí,
Adelante de.
no, pero los dos que iban eran de ellos mismos, de inmigración.
Kids, some of them were looking for criminals in the school.
Eran los fucking criminals de school. Él para no... Tiró rápido en la calle y no vio la troca que venía. Él fue que atravesó.
Él fue
No,
Él
no.
viene de allá, ¿ves?
No, no, no. Él está manejando. Ahí está él. Él está manejando. Esta señora. No.
Dejaron el carro guardado, señores.
He's standing out here by himself. With immigration.
Oh, yeah. Hey, guys, come.
He's
the one driving the car.
We're not like you. We're not going to touch you. We might insult you. You're doing this wrong. You're destroying families.
You have to play right there.
That niggas can't drive, man. Niggas suck. You and
You can see the guys waiting at the school ground.
What
you going to school for? What you going to school for? That's my kid over there.
Exactly. That's our kids. That you scaring our kids. That's our kids. How we cover our masses. What you do? You're killing our kids. They scare people from taking something against their kids. No, how do you think you really about our kids? Let me hear the parents. That's felony guy.
You think criminals are at school? I would feel good, all right? I wouldn't feel good if that happened to me either. I have a son in my house that is waiting for me after school. You know, the same you. I don't know if you're a parent too. Well, you know, we all are.
The police put you up.
You guys need to help too, man.